How to create a Facebook page, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Introduction. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for businesses and individuals alike. One of the most powerful tools for establishing and maintaining an online presence is creating a Facebook page. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook offers a vast platform for reaching and engaging with your target audience. Whether you're a small business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or an individual looking to promote your brand, creating a Facebook page can significantly boost your online visibility and credibility. Understanding the basics. Before delving into the step-by-step guide, it's crucial to understand the basics of creating a Facebook page. A Facebook page serves as a public profile that allows businesses, organizations, and public figures to connect with their audience. It offers various features such as customizable templates, call-to-action buttons, and analytics tools to help you understand your page's performance. Step 1. Setting up your Facebook business page. To get started, log into your personal Facebook account and navigate to the Create option, where you'll find the Page tab. Select the page type that best suits your business or brand. Ensure you provide accurate information, including your business name, category, and contact details. Step 2. Customizing your page. After setting up your page, it's time to make it visually appealing and informative. Add a profile picture and cover photo that accurately represents your brand. Craft a compelling About section that succinctly describes your business, products, or services. Incorporate relevant keywords to optimize your page for search engines. Step 3. Publishing engaging content. Consistently publishing high-quality, engaging content is key to maintaining an active and loyal audience. Share informative posts, captivating visuals, and compelling stories that resonate with your target demographic. Utilize Facebook's scheduling feature to plan your content in advance and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Step 4. Utilizing Facebook tools and features. Take advantage of Facebook's diverse set of tools and features to enhance your page's performance. Utilize the Insights tool to analyze your page's metrics and understand your audience's preferences. Step 5. Engaging with your audience. Building meaningful relationships with your audience is crucial for fostering brand loyalty and credibility. Respond promptly to messages, comments, and reviews to demonstrate your dedication to customer satisfaction. Encourage user-generated content and foster a sense of community by hosting interactive events, contests, or live streams. Step 6. Analyzing and refining your strategy. Regularly analyze your page's performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of your content and engagement strategies. Identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement to refine your approach and optimize your Facebook page's overall performance. Conclusion: creating a Facebook page is an indispensable step for businesses and individuals looking to establish a strong online presence. By following these simple steps and leveraging the power of Facebook's diverse features, you can effectively engage with your target audience, build brand credibility, and achieve your digital marketing goals. Embrace the potential of Facebook and unlock new opportunities for growth and success in the dynamic digital landscape. Remember, consistent effort, compelling content, and genuine engagement are the pillars of a successful Facebook page that can elevate your brand's visibility and impact in the digital realm.